All right, our test is block day, our Thursday for the online people. Let me give you an outline of what is on the test. 4 graphs with characteristics. I think I spelled that right. Basically meaning what's the center, what's the vertices, what's the asymptotes, what's the eccentricity, for parabola, directrix, focus, all those things, and graph it. So that's pretty similar to, actually this is all pretty similar to the review. In fact, we could match it up to the review. So that matches 1 through 4 on the review. And then there's 2, convert to standard form. So that's where you use complete the square. That's like 5 and 6 on the review. There's 2 puzzle problems. And by that I mean we give you some information and you have to come up with the equation. That's like 7 through 11 on the review. You know, we tell you the length of the major axis is this, and the focus are here and here, and you got to kind of figure out what all the rest of the pieces are. So there's 2 of those. There's 2 identify problems. That's like 12 through 15 on the review. There's 1 find the intersection problem. That's like 16 and 17 on the review. And then there's 1 word problem. Be careful, the word problem is not on the review, but I would say see worksheet, whatever the previous worksheet is. Yes, that's what I was trying to find. See the applications worksheet. And it's not too dissimilar. It's kind of like one of the ones on the applications worksheet. So again, it's open note. So your first go is to try to work the test without anything, see how quickly you can get through it. Then the things you get stuck on, you probably maybe refer to the review sheet that's something similar. And if that's still not good enough, then you'd have to go digging in your notes to find something. But hopefully you don't have to go that far into your notes. Hopefully you're just having to check your review for a couple things that you forgot about. Is it a squared plus b squared or a squared minus b squared, stuff like that. But open note, you'll have the full time, so we should be good for this test. And then if you're online, you can submit the worksheets as part of the homework. You could submit those now; it's ready for you. And for you guys in class, obviously you'll keep the worksheets through the test so that you'll have them to look at. And then when you turn in the test, you can turn in the worksheets as well. All right, so I think that's a pretty good picture of what's on the test.